Everybody, I'm here with Renato at the Host Milano Show 2023. And Renato, how are you?
Fine, and you?
Oh, great, it's a great show.
Yeah, it is. We are happy to be here.
Yeah, I can see that. You've got a wonderful machine. Tell us a little bit, what's the name of the company and the brand?
The name of the company is Somengil. We are located in Portugal, and we are a manufacturer of these beautiful washers that it's called the Multiwasher.
Okay, so tell us a little bit about the Multiwasher. This is pretty fantastic. I mean, it looks like it's going to transport you far, far away, but it's very beautiful.
I mean, it's a beautiful machine, not only in terms of design, but also it's the most sustainable machine actually in the market.
Okay.
So we have 4 different models, different sizes. We adapt the machine to the customer needs. But it is a multifunctional machine that allows us to wash everything that the customer needs to wash.
Yeah.
We have an engineering department dedicated to our customers. They study their needs, and then we develop the machine according to their expectations.
So you can put everything and anything in here.
Yes, you can put everything in here. It has 3 processes: washing, rinsing, and drying, all in the same cycle on an average time of 6 minutes. So in 6 minutes, we will wash, rinse, and dry everything, all the utensils that the customer needs.
That's amazing.
Yeah, it is amazing. It's revolutionary as well on the market. As you can see, this is an internal cage that is spinning around all times.
Yes.
We achieve all the blind spots on the utensils.
Yes.
And we wash with a lot of pressure, 188 psi.
Yeah.
That lead us to a really great result of washing. At the same time, we have a tank on the machine. We are always recirculating and filtrating the same water, so there is no water consumption while we are washing. The only water consumption is on the rinse cycle. Every cycle it takes only 2 gallons of water.
For this whole thing,
For this whole thing.
2 gallons of water per cycle.
Exactly. Let's say, imagine in one cycle you will wash 40 trays.
Yeah.
With just 2 gallons you can wash, rinse, and dry the 40 trays perfectly, and they will be completely dried, ready to be used again.
So you said sustainable earlier. So water is one of the reasons, yes?
Yes.
What about power?
Also power, because it is a completely isolated cabin, so we don't have wastes of heat inside the cabin. So what we do is we wash up to 185 Fahrenheit and we rinse up to 194. So we really achieve really high temperatures in order to disinfect everything that we are washing.
Okay.
And since it is a completely isolated booth, we keep the heat inside.
Yes.
That's why we don't have to use energy constantly to heat up the water.
Yeah. Okay.
And that's why also we have the drying process without spending any energy. We take advantage of the temperature that it's inside, and we only spin faster at 85 rotations per minute to dry it.
So because that's everybody's issue, keeping costs down in a restaurant and a food service operation, when you have a dishwashing system, these long systems and so forth, you know, if someone installs this, you're telling me that they can expect their electrical bill to
The electrical and the water.
go down.
Exactly. Yeah, to go down, definitely. Because those tunnels that they are used to use to wash in the food service area, they are open, so they are constantly losing heat. And with our cabin, they don't.
Yeah.
So we save more energy, as well as the water, because they don't recirculate and filtrate the water.
I mean, this is warm, but it's not at all as warm as it is inside.
No, it is not warm. You can touch it everywhere.
Oh, this is not warm here.
The glass is warm, but it's only for demonstrations, because the
see.
machine for the customer
Yeah,
is...
that's right. This is actually cool right over here. So that's correct. Okay.
Yeah.
Well, it's
And
really
in this case,
fantastic.
we also have the double door option
Yeah.
that allow us to have a pass-through unit. We can use it as like a tunnel configuration as well.
It's a real beautiful unit, and I mean, and then over here anybody can operate it.
Yeah,
I mean, this
you
dish.
can take a look here.
Yeah.
Let's say the Multiwasher has 20 customized programs.
Yeah.
Each program can have an image of the utensil that they will wash. So for the worker, it's really easy to operate the machine. They just need to pulse on the program. It will adapt the temperature and washing cycle time, and just pull start, and the machine will run.
Okay. What were you saying about the image of the fork or something like that?
No, I was saying the image of the utensil that they need to wash. You see here, program 1,
Yes.
it has an image of the rack. program
I see.
two
I didn't
as
see
an
that
image.
standing here.
Yeah,
You have me in
of the
front
ball.
of it. Okay.
So for the worker, it's really easy.
Yeah.
Just push program and push start. and
Yeah,
that's it.
standing here, I wasn't able to see that
Yeah.
behind there. Well, that's really fantastic. So I'm looking at this big thing. Does it ship like this, one big unit?
Yeah, it's shipped one big unit, but if the customer doesn't have the space required to install the machine at their washing room, we disassemble the machine and then we assemble it again on the washing room.
Okay. Okay.
So there is no worries with it.
Well,
Yeah, it is.
you just need this footprint.
Demonstrates really
Exactly.
With, and you know, it's great. So fantastic. So what's a great way for them to buy one of these wonderful things?
Hopefully. I mean, we export to across the world. We currently have 57 distributors across the world in more than 47 countries.
Fantastic.
So you can find us on our website or look for us through our distributors across the US, especially
Okay.
because we are located on the East Coast and also on the West Coast.
Okay. So Renato, what is the website?
The website is www.somengil.com.
Okay, say that again. Somengil.
Somengil with a G. Somengil, probably.
So SOMENGIL.com.
Exactly.
Renato, thank you so much.
You're welcome. It was my pleasure.